Making baked egg just a little bit more interesting for breakfast. Today, baking egg is such a fun way to make omelet more fun. So I'm going to use 2 eggs. This is, oh, got a little shell in there. It's okay, no one saw. So this is for one person serving. If you want for 2 people, add more eggs. Bigger dish too. So I added some garlic powder, a splash of heavy cream, and this is nutmeg. You can get nutmeg powdered, but I prefer it the whole way and then just shred it, or how do you call this thing? It powders it down, and I think it just has better flavor to it, and also it lasts longer. I think the powdered one have expiration date on it, and it can get old. Smoked cheese. I love smoked cheese with eggs, so I'm gonna shred in about 1 tablespoon. That's for one serving. That's all I'm doing today. Mix it all together until it's like very well combined, and then we're gonna add our prosciutto. If you don't have prosciutto, you can also use ham, and I'm going to tell you in a bit why I'm adding the prosciutto separately. But this is the prosciutto I use. I love it. It's from Costco. I think it's so worth it. For the 2 packs, it's the same price as 1 pack will be in a grocery store. So this I always have at home. I'm ripping off little bits, and I'm only using 1 slice of prosciutto for this. And the reason why I mixed the eggs before instead of now with everything together is because if I mix it all together, the prosciutto would really stick to each other and it will stay in one place. So I'm adding it in 2 batches, mixing it, and then I am done. The oven has been preheated to 350. And here's my single serving baking dish. I always use butter instead of oil when I have to butter the dish, because I don't know, for some reason with butter it just becomes more crispier on the edges. I really like that, and it never sticks to it. Sometimes when you use oil, it can, like, the oil can just go on top of the eggs, and it just butter is perfect. I'm swirling it around so the fillings are not just stuck right in the middle. Bake it for 20 minutes. It's kind of like slow baking. Once it's done baking, do not open the oven because it's gonna rise, and if you open it really fast, like as soon as it's done baking, it's gonna fall like in the middle. But let it sit in the oven for extra few minutes, and it will not fall as drastically as it would when you open the oven instantly. Super easy to make, and like I said, you can use ham instead of prosciutto.